Hello everyone. Well, here I am with my finished needle books. Very pleased with them. They're all slightly different. I've used up remnants of fabric that I had, and they're all going out to friends. So this one I've shown you in the other video the making of it, but I thought I'd just do a quick flip through of all of them just to show you how they turned out. So we'll pop those to one side, and I'll go through this one. It measures approximately 18 centimeters by 15. So it's got they've all got a name plaque on the front. Some have got jewels, a nice button with a tie there. So this one has got a button pocket, a little thread picker pocket. I've got a little flap here with pins on, and you could pin anything there. Needle pack, poppers, a nice button there with the Eiffel Tower on. I know my friend will like that one. This is button card, little pocket there with ribbon on in, and a pin cushion. Another pin cushion here with some nice coloured pins in, an adjustable thimble hanging there off some ribbon, a needle threader. There's lots of little places to put things in here. This is a nice deep pocket with some made up notebooks and cards. Just pop those in there. Done some side pockets here and a lace pocket. I've got some cards in. These are from our Etsy shop. Just download those. And then we have the cotton reels, some wool on that one, a tape measure, little pencil, and a place to put your scissors, and they can just hang in the pocket there. And I've attached a ribbon on there, a nice colourful button. So I'm very pleased with that one. This one's off to Spain. It's got a beautiful paisley fabric there, a ribbon with a cotton reel on the end for the closure, a nice blue side pocket with some lace along the bottom. I've got cards in there, ribbon, and nice decorative button, some charms. This is some pair of scissors with a heart brad. I love this fabric. It's a button pocket, and I put some wooden buttons in there. There's quite a big pocket. This is a nice feature. This is quite a thick piece of felt, so if you have it open and you're sewing, you can just pop your pins in or needles, and it acts like a nice big pin cushion. The thimbles there, little sewing machine charm, some nice pins with beads on, another big pocket, some cards, and I've made the pocket out of the same fabric as the cover there, ribbon for scissors, and the needles in here. I made this up and just stuck it inside, so these are downloadable, and then I added a lining paper on there. And a lace pocket here with the other bits, and a pencil. I put the thread picker in there. So that one's very nice. Well, before I show you the next needlebook, I thought I would show you these beautiful vintage sewing theme design papers that are just available on our Etsy shop. They are so beautiful. I can't wait to get started and make a journal from them. Some of them have stitching images around the edge of the papers, and they have beautiful images throughout. The pack also comes with lovely ephemera and tags too. I hope you like them. So, back to the needlebooks. Some nice variations of colours here. Nice blue pack here. The cards, little charm, and the button pocket. Little pin there with some beads on, and a belly band, a lace belly band there with the button card, lace flower, more pockets, and little cotton reels that I've stuck on there. Rather nice. And this has got a nice paisley pocket with the cotton reels in, and I've used the lace butterfly as a pocket there. So they're all slightly different. A little button charm. I've got to put the thimble on that one. Some beautiful beads on the pins there. And some old poppers that I had. I've added those in there. Little booklet. I plaited some wool to make the thread there for closure with a cotton reel. This one's a nice variation of colour, a pink theme. Lovely lace pocket there. I love that lace. Let's get some more of that. And you can see I've sort of gone for sort of pink buttons. Nice button there, scissor charm, cotton reel in pink, and a side pocket. Now, I haven't filled all the pockets and things because it's nice for people to put their own things in. Little heart brad there. I love the contrast of colours there. And this mid-century modern fabric is really beautiful. So we've got a pencil there. I've got to put the thread picker in, tape measure, some beads. I really love the combination of colours in that one. And I plaited the wool again with a nice cotton reel and a pearl. So the final one is this one, which I think I showed in the last video. I love this fabric, and I didn't want to put a lining on it because it's exactly the same on the other side, so I didn't want to cover that up, so I've had to just be careful where I stitched the pocket. I used white cotton, and with that stitch I went down through the tree trunk so it doesn't show. So instead of racing on like I usually do. I had to sort of think about it. Little wool reels there and lace pocket. Nice cotton reel charm. Nice stripy fabric here with some wool stitching and a heart brad. Nice deep pocket, and with the pockets I've used the pattern stitching from the machine just to give it a nice edge, and that's the thick felt again to use as a pin cushion. There's lots of space there to add more bits and pieces. Got to put a thimble on this one. I've edged this one in lace, which is nice. Nice big pocket there. I thought of embroidering the word buttons on there, but I may still do that. Some more buttons in there. A nice big pocket, that one. Some ribbon and some button cards and all the other bits. I think it looks lovely. Again, the stitching doesn't show on that side, and I've just plaited some wool and then put a pearl on the end. I thought that went quite nicely with the tree blossom. Now I've got to add these lovely crochet hooks. I said to my husband, I've got this crochet hook but it's too large to go in my needlebook. Could he make me some? And lo and behold, he was 10 minutes or so and came up with these beauties. So I'll be able to put them in my needlebooks for people that like to crochet. And also he's made this weaving needle for me. Just had a bit of doweling and made a hole in there with a point, so I should be able to use that as well. So I'm thrilled with those. So there they are. All of my needle books. I was quite ambitious, making 5 at a time. Not sure I'd take that on again, but I have enjoyed them. You always put a little bit of yourself into these projects, don't you? I hope my friends enjoy them, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please press the subscribe button and come back and join us when we'll be doing some more projects. Sewing, paper craft, junk journaling, embellishments. We'd love to have you along. Bye for now. See you again soon.